What is aperture and why does it matter so much when it comes to our cameras? Part 1, the explanation. I'll make this short and easy. So aperture itself is the opening in which light travels through. So from our light source into our lens and into our camera. Now, as far as numbers on our camera, it's the one with the little F next to it, and the lower that number is, the wider the opening is for our aperture. And the higher the number, the smaller the opening is. And the reason that matters is because if you're in a dark situation, you want the aperture or the number to be as low as possible to allow as much light to get into the wider opening, and the opposite is true. Where you want less light to get in, you make the opening smaller and raise your aperture. Another situation where aperture matters though is in depth of field. If you want that beautiful blurry bokeh background look, you want your aperture to be as small as possible to allow a lot more of your focus to fall off. Vice versa, if you want the entire thing like a landscape shot to be in focus, you want your aperture to be higher. It's a lot of talking. Let me just show you in part 2 the differences in aperture.